Hello friends, welcome to Vids for You. I am back with the best in class wired USB headset MPOW 071. In this video we gonna see unboxing and review of this over the ear headphone. To buy this headphone, do check out link in the video description with a discount coupon. On the front here is the sketch of the product with MPOW logo, nothing on the sides. On the rear side we have a quick specification. So without any further ado, let's open this box. First of all, we have this instruction manual which is in 5 languages. Now we'll open its 2 plastic bags. This will be used to connect the computer and some quick functions. We'll brief you that on later section. Finally, here it is a wired USB headset. On the first, it's a very lightweight. It has a very thick cushion padding with leather material, which reduces unwanted background noise for clear conversation. On the top also you get a leather cushion for head comfort. It's a glossy, nice and thick shiny plastic which gives you premium look. You get to adjust it according to your head. Just pull it up like this on both sides. Also twist freely like this for storing or keep it aside. Here it's an impressive MPOW logo on each side of the headset. The length of the cord is about 1 meter, and if you plug in the controller, that extends it to almost 2 meters. Also features 3.5 mm jack on it. This is a headset with a mic and quick controls. There is just one jack, so you can use it on both your phone and your PC. This is the best way to connect your PC or cell phone to record crystal clear voice, chat with great noise cancelling. The mic positioned very well. It looks comfortable moving any side. This headphone with mic can be used with laptop via USB connector. Also can be used with smartphone male connector. Moreover, now we'll have a look at the second bag which has an USB connector. This will help on multifunctions. A controller is provided which has mic or sound mute and volume up down buttons. You can plug in the headset jack like this, and controller connects via USB to your PC. Now let's connect it to my laptop and check how it works. Now here we need to set audio for VLC or your default player. On the VLC, right click by going to audio, then the audio device. You select speakers MPOW and play. Also we set this at headset speakers. This USB plug connector comes with 4 intelligent buttons with LED light. Now we'll have a quick look. The sound of this headset is really good, as even from this much distance. I like this USB connector which supports to answer reject phone calls, volume up down, mute, etc. Very handy to use, which is very helpful in business conversation using Skype or places like call center, conference calls, where you can quickly control. If we talk about music on this headset, it's really impressive. Bass is extremely good and clear. I was pretty impressed that the bass is precisely balanced. As in, if you play songs with significant bass at full volumes, the sound still doesn't crack and is very balanced. It is hard to hear yourself when you talk. The volume level is loud yet sweet, way above my Philips headset. When we compare it with my Philips headset, Philips is very big on ears. Philips design is bit older. The leather cushion is much better quality on MPOW. The MPOW is lightweight and it's comfortable. Both headphones come with an adjustable head. Moreover, you can flip the MPOW headset. The mic is flexible on both headsets. Now we'll give you the recorded voice on both mics. The audio you are listening now is recorded on MPOW. Let me know in the comment section which headphone recorded audio you like the most. The audio you are listening now is recorded on Philips. Let me know in the comment section which headphone recorded audio you like the most. I love the comfort aspect of these headphones. They are suitable for longer use. It is a good headphone with both options to use in USB and 3.5mm jack. The earpads are very comfortable. They basically sit on the ear and aren't like big earpads which covers ears completely. The top of the headband has a good amount of cushion for comfort. Also, the size of the headband is adjustable and it comes with metal reinforcements. So the build quality is good and there is no need to worry about the headphone breaking up while adjusting the size. It also gives you a better sense of depth and dynamics of your music than many models twice the price. For these MPOW headphones, we have the discount coupon specially for you. Don't forget to check out the link in video description. For now, signing off, and I see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe us and press the bell icon to get regular notification. Thank you for being with me and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends.